what's up guys? Hope you're having a good day. Today we're going to be doing the headlight on my Honda CB750. It's a 7-incher I got off Amazon for like 80 bucks. I'll put a link in the description and I'll just show a picture right here on top of my face of what it looks like. It's a pretty sweet deal. It's LED, it's a whole new sweet upgrade, so I'm pretty stoked to get it on the bike. So I'll go ahead and show you that process. There's the headlight on the bike. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked it, subscribe. Just started this channel, it's slowly growing, but it's been a lot of fun working on the bike and filming it for you guys, so stay tuned.